Alright, so another commercial development in Kingston. This property went up very quickly, but as usual, you guys know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, just bringing you guys all the new developments, all the new houses, commercial development, apartments, roadworks, you know, whatever the case is. You know, once it's something good happening in Jamaica, once it's a new development, we're gonna bring it to the channel. So this one is at the intersection of Fairway Avenue. So this one went up super quick. The lot that it's on was abandoned lot before. I like the design, I like the look. It's a lot of glass. Not a very big complex, but it, you know, it's better than an abandoned lot. So it's a really good development for the area. A great addition to right here at Stanton Terrace. So I like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about this development. So it's 3 floors and it's designed more like a business complex. So I guess it's gonna be like in a doctor's office, stuff like that. But I like the design. Simple. Colors are okay. Lots of glass. But again, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share. And as usual, it's a drone video, so stay tuned for the drone shots. Gonna send up the drone so we can get some aerial shots. It's also beside a relatively new apartment complex, which you guys will see from the drone shots. That apartment has a pool on top. And you know, ironically, when the apartment was building, this was a wasteland, as I mentioned, and I was saying to myself, you know, soon and very soon this land is gonna get developed, and here it is. So nice development here in Stanton Terrace. The name of the apartment is the Keels, 1 Fairway Avenue. Alright guys, so stay tuned for some drone shots.